GH Live Studios. Yadase Mwakwaba. Ya enjoy Dreams FC and Kotoko game eto dwa sisiano na Kotoko every need 2 goals to 1. Ye baba highlights inyapa. Baba Yaya eshe 40th minute goal. Dauda Saka she 43rd minute goal. And Joseph Eso enya consolation 58th minute. Ema Dreams FC ya Kotoko every need 2-1 ewa away. Sisiano ushema nese Kotoko out of 14 matches Krobia Abono ya winimu 7 and I draw me and Sa Alusumu and 9 13 goals and Yasha so far and Yasha 10 NTL plus 3 goals and he got 24 points. Heart of Lion no Edasrono 27 points and at Gold Stars were 27. Bechem United were 26. Nations FC 25. Kotoko Tosu Enum 24 points. Yentem and the Lions no and Wepi Nice Oshima best 3 points and the Yentema Ebiti Media Afro across Roy. Yankoshe game no said it goes no esi ika edi guye.
Abranche fe Baba Yaya Baba Yaya Baba Yaya what Erika Tiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We are in the 9th game this season. Atima Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Look at that cross. Beautiful play. Papa Yaya watu Erika Tiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Body marking facial. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 42 minutes. Dreams FC. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Another chance. What a save! A goal! Dauda Saka. Was the first goal at Yama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Former Tana Bofuakwa player. What about 13 matches? We're in the 14th game at Yama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And was the first goal at Yama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 43 minutes, our fairy kind Kotoko 2, Dreams FC 0.
Well, I think that is also another world-class goal from Team Efena Asante Kotoko. Joseph Ablo once again started the build-up and Obo.
Joseph Eso, we are in the 4th goal this season at Dreams FC. What a lovely goal, lovely pass and a lovely goal from Joseph Eso.
Poor defending.
We are witnessing world-class goals in NBA, and I love the build-up from Ateje to Abrante and Adade, and finally to Abrante and Joseph Eso. Eso will never miss this chance, especially the caliber of player in the Ghana Premier League. Look from Asgo, look at the caliber of things that kind of.
Oh, beautiful play. Driving out once again. Looking to pick him up, but fails to pick him. 5 minutes of 6 minutes of additional time cleared with just few seconds to play for. And the clock is not really favoring Dreams at this juncture. Yes, other day, Fast Yarrow. Yes, Quates. Lawrence trying to drift into the middle. Wants to have a kick. They're really summing up the story of Kotoko this evening. Dreams have created numerous chances, but again, aside from Captain Joseph Esso, who has been very potent up front, they've not got any man to assist him. Kotoko themselves have created numerous opportunities, but again, at least they've been able to Babayaya and Sakadauda to put them away. Just by their lead striker, Albert Samoa is missing. So that ends it. Another big story for Kotoko.